Okay guys, so we're out here on the field about to play an epic war, and I just figured we'd put together all of our guns, put a collaborative gun collection together. We are missing a lot of guns here. That's because these are the noteworthy ones. Happy Galaxy MP5, Spring Shotgun, Lancer Tactical M4, G4 Airsoft GI Custom M4. We have one revolver, a Glock. We have a Black Ops M1911. We have an HK M9. We have a Mark II M1911 made by KWA. We have the M3000. We have our XER. We have our M14. We have a Thompson. We have a GMP M4. We have a Airsoft Galil. We actually have two Airsoft Galils. We have King Arms Galil right here. King Arms Galil, and we have a ICS Galil. We have GMP Stoner 63. We have the Diablo. And right now Sam's polishing off his AK.
Yeah! Give me that red rag.
And we also, save best for last, we have an M16 here made by GMP.
Oh shit! No, I'm just kidding.
So yeah, we're very excited. We're gonna get this war started.
Grenade! Hey, wait, one last thing. You feeling lucky? Starting at 5!